everybody. I'm going to turn this down a little bit, do you mind, because I'm short. This is great. It's beautiful. What's really funny is when I walked in, I had two people say, wow, I didn't realize manufacturing was so clean. I'm like, well, obviously you haven't been in a plant in a really long time because it's amazing. So again, I'm Johanna, the president of the Middlesex County Chamber of Commerce. I'm very honored to be here, but not only honored to be here to celebrate this today, but I'm really honored that both Brian and Lauren are both very active members of the Middlesex Chamber and volunteers on our board and at division level, which is huge. That just goes to show the kind of character they have. You know, they're not only business owners who thoroughly do their best by their employees, but also that they're so committed to their community. You know, Chapco represents what's best in manufacturing in Connecticut: innovation, growth, and of course, continued workforce development. We're so excited to see you invest right here in our region again, and so proud of what you've done here, and looking forward to helping you find some more people to occupy your space. We thank you, but you couldn't do it without a great team, so let's just say thank you to the Chapco team. I see you all around here with your blue shirts on. You guys are the fabric of this company, and we appreciate what you do. Again, congratulations on this exciting milestone, and we look forward to partnering with you for a long, long time and continue watching you grow. All right, I have the great honor of being MC today, which I just found out about, so you might get a little joke here or there. But next I get to bring up a really great friend of ours, a really great senator, Senator Norm Needleman, to say a few words.